You have now completed the Modifying Elements module. As part of this, you learn the workflows and processes that introduce the tools and methods utilized in modifying elements. As an option, you can take part in the challenge exercises relative to the course. As you move through this course, the challenge exercises are designed to further solidify the same workflows and procedures that were covered during the lessons. However, these challenge exercises are not meant to be a step-by-step, directed, click here exercise, but rather begin with a small amount of guidance and a general understanding of the outcome. It is important to note that the challenge exercises do not include instructional videos. General information is provided in the following slides. You may pause and rewind as needed to get the necessary information to complete the challenge exercises. This allows you to take charge of your own learning. We guide less, you explore more. It lets you guide and deepen your personal learning experience and realize the joy of self-discovery. For this challenge exercise, you will continue to clean up any remaining interior and exterior walls using the tools and techniques learned in the previous lessons. For this, you will remove unnecessary line work at all wall joints and intersections, in addition to the door openings. The tool that you utilize is completely up to you. Add lines where necessary to cap off walls and ensure that all line work is on the correct level. For this challenge exercise, you will continue to clean up any remaining interior and exterior walls using the tools and techniques learned in the previous lessons. For this, you will be removing unnecessary line work at all wall joints and intersections. The tool that you utilize will be completely up to you. And add lines where necessary to cap off walls and ensure that all line work is on the correct level. For this challenge exercise, you will continue to develop the floor plan of the restaurant by utilizing modification tools. Here, you will clean up the arcs as part of the lounge countertop.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.